morning.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir. Good morning.
Kritik, Jai Swaminarayan.
Sir, Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Jai Swaminarayan.
Good morning, sir.
Arun, good morning. Before session, how many joined? Kritik?
Sir, nearly 35, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
very less, sir, today. Raju sir class only 30, sir.
Only 30, yeah?
16, sir. 16, 17.
Sir, we didn't got marks of phase 1, sir.
You did not receive no marks?
Yes, sir, we didn't receive, sir.
No, actually, we posted on 31st. 31st night is the last, 31st is the last day to enter the marks in online. Already we completed and we are waiting for it.
Sir, from 4th May, sir. Exams.
Examinations 4th May. Confirm, Nana. Now there is no change
Sir,
at
a
all.
lot of time we have, sir.
4th onwards your exams, and even 12th class exams also from 4th onwards.
Sir, from 4th.
Simultaneously both exams will be conducted. And for first year, the students, if your brothers who are studying in first year like +1, they will have examination before April only, before May only. They will be having exam from in the month of April itself. So first for them exams will be completed. After that 10th board and 12th board it will be conducted. Because 11th class at any cost in school only. Suppose Bhaveshar is running 11th standard. So in the campus only 11th examinations will be conducted by following the instruction, by following the CBSE guidelines. That's it.
Sir, same as ours also, sir. Same centers, sir. Same that like.
This time also we are expecting the same center, Nana.
Sir, expecting our IDs only, sir.
We are expecting because it will not be confirmed. No, CBSE will not disclose this type of issues, no, this type of matters before only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, one time we told no, sir, we can conduct in our school itself that time.
Sir, then
Actually, they are asking to take center also for +2 and 10th class also. But Swamiji said this time no, because ante పిల్లలు వేరే వేరే చోట్ల నుంచి వస్తారు కదా, ఎవరికన్నా ఉన్నింది అనుకో అంతా క్యాంపస్ అంతా మొత్తం శానిటైజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. మన దగ్గర స్వామీజీలు శానిటైజ్ చేయడానికి బాగా ఖర్చు పెడతారు కాబట్టి మీ అందరికీ తెలుసే కదా. Don't expect.
Sir, board exams will be 40 marks or 80 marks, sir?
80 marks or 40 marks, the decision was not taken. Directly it will be sent to the board only. Actually, that day Central Minister said 50% internal, 50% external. That is confirmed, no change at all. Even your examination will be not for 3 hours also, maybe 1.5 hours or 2 hours only.
1.5 hour, 40 marks, sir.
That's it. But you all prepare well.
Sir, they are saying that a question paper will be easy, sir. For example,
First they will decide objective or descriptive.
Yes.
Sir, like
will they increase the objective, sir?
Sir, if board exam 40 marks.
What exam?
40 marks ఉంటుందా సార్?
అదే కదా ఇప్పుడు ఏడ్చింది నాకు కూడా. నీకేమర్థమైంది?
అంటే మార్క్స్ లో 30 సార్.
Means 40 internal marks will be 10 marks in 20 marks internal, Nana. So 40 marks, what we will do? We will give the marks to you and you are writing the examination for 40 marks. So internal almost 60 and you are writing exam for 40 marks.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Why?
No, sir, it is clear, sir. For him only it is breaking, sir.
Sir, you have full
His network bandwidth is low.
Sir, your voice is clear, sir.
राइट मयंक अग्रवाल, आपको वो पहला से वही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बेटा, आपको नेटवर्क इश्यू है, कभी भी नेटवर्क इश्यू, कितना लॉस हो रहा है कि तो
Sir, from January 18, school compulsory reopen, sir.
yes, actually Swamiji said 100% it will be open only.
Sir, no postpone something that like.
Sir, compulsory 5 months, sir, there only.
No, probably for 4 months only. Maybe suppose from February, if you are reporting February, March, April, May. Till May 20th exam timetable, no?
June 10th, sir.
June 10th, sir. June 10th.
And results will be announced before July 15th.
July 15th.
Sir.
Okay. 1 minute. So we will start our session now.
Sir, even 12th class also like that only, sir.
12th also same, Nana.
Same.
Board exams, no, 10th and 12th is board, no? From 21st onwards, it will change. 22nd onwards, it will change.
Sir, for 12th only 40 marks, sir.
For 12th class, no. Only 12th class, they are going to write for 60 marks. 60. For you 40, for 12th standard,
Okay.
60. Okay, we will start our session already 8:29. So, which chapter we are studying about? Metals and non-metals.
Metals and non-metals.
Okay. So in this we will see some questions related to
Sir, we are discussing reaction with water, sir.
reaction with water. Yes, you are right, Abdul.
Finish this, sir. Finish, sir, that concept.
Okay. Metals and non-metals. Where are you? Kritik Tejas present in the session or absent?
Sir, another device, sir. Please admit.
Okay, somebody view, still two are there. Kritik Tejas, Arvind Naik. So, my dear students, today we will see about already reaction with water has already completed, main important one. And now we will see about reaction with acids. Reaction with the acids. Okay, in the case of metal and non-metal. So when metals react with the dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid, they liberate the hydrogen gas. Very, very important. Metal react with dilute acids, dilute, dilute acids. Example, what I said to you, either it is HCl or H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Obviously, they liberate what means hydrogen gas. This is very important point. Always you remember, when metals react with the dilute acids, example hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, they liberate the hydrogen gas. Okay. So this is very, very important. Can I clear this point, Kritik?
Yes, sir.
So we can write this one as when metal react in this form also, when metal react with the dilute acid, DIL dilute acid. So then we will get what means salt, very, very important. Salt is one compound and the hydrogen gas will be liberated. This is the equation method, equation type. When metal react with the dilute acid, then it gives a compound called as salt. So during this process, hydrogen gas is liberated like this.
Sir, with the strong acids, sir.
Yeah, that also we'll study.
Sir, SGSO4 and no, sir.
Yeah, either it
SGSO4 plus
is,
H2.
somebody Akshay Sriranga, what you are saying?
Sir, SVSO4 plus H2, that one and no, sir.
That's it only. For example, you take any metal, Nana, like zinc you take, okay, reacts with hydrochloric acid. Okay, what it forms? ZnCl2
ZnCl
plus H.
plus H2 liberate.
If you take any other metal like magnesium, reacts with the sulfuric acid at H2SO4, then it forms as MgSO4. It is a salt. So during this process, hydrogen gas. Ritik, is it clear? The equations
Yes,
are
sir,
clear.
clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here metals, either they react with dilute acids or strong acids. Obviously, they give what? Salt and liberate hydrogen gas. But strong acids general ga manam cheyam. Enduvallante the reason is because whatever the hydrogen gas will be produced, okay, it will have, we can say it will have more effect. So that is why only obviously we go for only dilute acids. Strong acids in waste cheyagudadu. Because it is costly, no? Therefore we won't go for. If suppose, just to remember, when metal react, either it is strong acid or weak acid or dilute acid, means concentrated acid or dilute acid. The compound is salt only. But what is our purpose? Whether it liberates which type of gas is important. So hydrogen gas. So we won't go expensive. Only we follow with what means, which is cheaper and best, like our Swamiji's follows. Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You should learn many things from Swamiji's. You are not learning. Still, from many years you are studying. When metals react with, very important here, one special case is there, when metals react with dilute nitric acid. Very dangerous it is, dilute nitric acid, HNO3. In such case, what is happening means, H2 gas is not evolved. H2 gas is not evolved. Why, sir? Just now I said when metals react with the dilute acids, H2 gas is liberated. There is a special case is there. When metals react with dilute nitric acid, H2 gas is not evolved, but dash is formed. But H2O is formed.
Water.
But water is formed, very, very important. Because metals react with the dilute, when metal react with the dilute nitric acid. So nitric acid is what? It is a strong acid. So nitric acid is strong, means nitric acid means it comes under SA. SA means what? Strong acid. In that what we are taking? Dilute nitric acid we are taking. So during this process, there is no question of what? Hydrogen gas. Only water is formed as a compound. Because metal react with the dilute nitric acid, then it forms a metal salt plus water plus oxides of nitrogen. I'll write the equation also. Can I clear?
sir, last line, first word, what is that, sir?
I clear, Nana. One thing I'll do. Again, undo I will do. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, tell me, Nana. But H2O
last-
is formed, Nana. But H2O is formed.
First word, sir, but before.
Evolved. H2 gas is not evolved. 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 Doctor అయ్యాను నేను ఇప్పుడు కాబట్టి అర్థం కావడం కష్టం. ప్రిన్సిపల్ నుంచి డాక్టర్ ఇప్పుడు. Since my son is studying and joined in MBBS, no, I also taken profession. Arun, am I right?
Absolutely right, sir.
Can I clear, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why we are planning to open the schools means, Nana, మీరందరూ ఇంటి దగ్గర ఉన్నారు. Maybe అంటే we cannot judge you that you all students will get pass. Because దీంట్లో average students కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, కొంతమందికి ఇంకా అర్థం కాని విషయాలు కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. Therefore, if all present to the school, at least for 3 months, if we concentrate, and definitely we can rebuild your what you call performance in the exams. So for this reason only, we are requesting all the parents to send their wards to the school, so that if everyone come, because andaru kuda toppers kaadu kada, maybe we need to think about other students also. Okay, so 100% result when we focus on each and every student. Therefore, even that boy, what is his name, some Delhi boy, he also should come, otherwise it will be difficult. He cannot get on. Now he is not attending classes, no?
When school was opening, sir?
99% 18th, Nana. Please write down this one. When metal react with the dilute nitric acid, then it forms as metal salt plus water, H2O, plus oxides of nitrogen.
Sir, metal salt and salt both are same, sir.
Metal, what do you ask?
Sir, metal salts and salt both are same, sir.
No. How can you say that? Metal salt is different. Salt is different. Common is salt. Common name is salt. Okay, chemical name is salt. But when metal react with acid, then it forms as a metal salt. We should not take metal salt again into our food. It causes dangerous, no? Ramavatar. Salt is different, metal salt is different.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Salt is different, metal salt is different. And here there is one exception is also there, like magnesium and manganese evolve hydrogen gas with dilute nitric acid. Magnesium and Mn means manganese. These two also evolve hydrogen gas when they react with the nitric acid. Can we switch on to the next part?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So now coming to non-metals. Non-metals do not displace hydrogen from acids. Why, sir? Because non-metals are electron acceptors. And they
Sir,
cannot,
OH minus.
OH minus. They are always ready to accept. They are always ready to accept electrons. If anyone is ready to donate, so metal is electropositive. Already we learned in the first point, metal is electropositive, whereas non-metals are electronegative. Non-metals are electronegative means obviously what non-metal will do, it will be expecting electron from others. Are you following? Expecting electrons
Yes,
from
sir.
others. Therefore, it is electronegative. So, non-metals do not displace hydrogen gas. Non-metals do not displace hydrogen gas from acids because non-metals are electron acceptors and they cannot supply electron to hydrogen. I'm writing here. Please make a note of this. Non-metals do not. If once a school is open, again we will revise all the topics again, once again, the important concepts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will be benefit to you. So who is listening? Like Shivamani, what he will do? He will on the screen, he will be playing.
Sir,
video.
and there's a why me, sir.
Maybe not only you, Nana. అంటే నువ్వు ఐడెంటిఫై అయ్యావు, మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఐడెంటిఫై కాలేరు కదా. Therefore, for everyone, what we will do means before exams only, again the important concepts will be revised. Already I informed to the teachers also. Between gaps, face to face, some gap will be there, no? Phase 1, phase 2. Gap. During this gap revision, during this time of revision, the important topic.
After coming to school, revision schedule, sir.
After coming, Sai Rohit, what you are asking?
Sir, after coming to school, for a schedule of learning will be new one, sir.
No. Same schedule, Anna. There is no change. There is no change. The schedule is same only, but people are staying in hostel, no? Morning, what we will do means we will take. I instruct my teachers to take up the classes. అంటే అన్ని చాప్టర్స్ దట్ ఈస్ మ్యాథ్స్ కావచ్చు, బయాలజీ కావచ్చు, సోషల్ కావచ్చు. సోషల్ పెట్టనులే మార్నింగ్, ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా అది వింటా ఉంటే మీకు నిద్ర వచ్చి పడిపోయి ఉంటారు. ఎందుకు వచ్చింది కూడా. సో
Sir, very good idea, sir.
So therefore, we will take only maths, science, English, those subjects only.
Sir.
Okay, biology also the same problem. Biology and social will be evening time, 6 to 8 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Sir, here what is after electron, sir?
Supply electron to hydrogen beta.
No, sir, not there, sir.
Acceptor.
Acceptor.
Non-metals do not displace hydrogen from acids because non-metals are electron acceptors. Electron acceptor. And they cannot supply electron to hydrogen. Again, I am repeating what I had written on the screen. Non-metals do not displace hydrogen from acids because non-metals are electron acceptor and they cannot supply electron to hydrogen. You informed this important information to your parents. Again, all the concepts will be revised. Important concepts will be revised. Online lo ante ardham kaani vaadu kuda untaru kada. So therefore, so now Mayank Agarwal is there. Always he had a network problem. Maybe some concepts he may not understood. So again, we will do recapitulation of the topics. So only my intention is to do justice. And tomorrow, after leaving from the 10th class, the principal was there and he has taken good methods. Again, he has given the complete concept revision was done. Offline division, so it will be better. Am I right, Kritik?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear the screen? Amavtar?
Yes, sir.
Tarun? Now it is clear, Nana. Try to understand. Again, I am repeating the same point. All metals react with acids and they liberate the hydrogen gas. And coming to non-metals, they do not react with acids because they are all electron acceptors. Simple point. Non-metals do not react with acids because non-metals are electron acceptors. This point you remember. Okay, Tarun? Okay, Kritik Tejas, clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sai Rohit, clear? This point is clear?
Clear, sir.
The last point we discuss about reaction with the hydrogen. How many students are there? 40. 40 students.
39.
Sir, 39.
Okay, with me 40. Okay. So last point we'll study about reaction with the hydrogen. So my dear students, how the metals react with the hydrogen. So hydrogen can share or lose electrons, but active metals like sodium, which are active metals, Kritik, Tejas?
Sodium, potassium, magnesium,
And calcium, they can force hydrogen atom to accept the electrons to form hydrides. Please make a note of this. Everyone, please write down, Nana. Hydrogen can share or lose electrons. Hydrogen can share or lose electrons. Hydrogen can share or lose electrons. But active metals like sodium, potassium, and calcium. Arvind Prasad, Are you writing? Sodium,
Sir,
potassium,
writing.
and calcium can force hydrogen atom please write down all of you. Hydrogen can share or lose electron, but active metals like sodium, potassium, K means potassium, Arvind, Prasad, because potassium Latin name is
Sir.
calcium, therefore it is K. Okay, and calcium
Okay, sir.
can force hydrogen atom. I will clear the top one. Can force hydrogen atom to accept the electrons, to form hydrides, Arvind Nayak. Now he is joining. What happened, Arvind Nayak? Ramavatar, have you written?
Yes, sir.
To accept the electron to form hydrides. I'll write the equation also so that you can understand. Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Prasad,
Yes, sir.
metal plus, so here we will take what metal again, why is not necessary, so we will take sodium,
Sodium.
Na, reacts with hydrogen, that is H2, in which state? Gaseous state, and so metal sodium state gives rise to NaH, sodium hydride. What is its state? It will be in solid in state. Equation is not balanced, we will write 2 here. Now the equation is balanced. You, in the same way, if you take calcium also reacts with the hydrogen, then it forms calcium hydride, CaH2. It is also said to be in what? Solid in state. Hydrogen means it will be in what state? Gaseous in state. Arvind Prasad, S stand for solid, G stand
Sir.
for gaseous. అంటే అది ఏ స్థితిలో ఉంది అంటే సాలిడ్ గా గడ్డగా ఉందా లేకపోతే gaseous state గా ఉందా, that is important. So calcium reacts with hydrogen, then it forms calcium hydride. Sodium reacts with hydrogen, then it forms sodium hydride. Ramavatar, clear beta? लिख लिए?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wrote, sir.
Wish you happy New Year idea. I forgot you to inform you.
Yes, sir. Happy New
Sir,
Year.
thank you.
sir.
Same to you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Same day, sir. Happy New Year.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Swamiji will say for us there is no Happy New Year. It is for Christmas. It is for Christians. For us it is from Diwali only. No, for them they will say it is a New Year. After Diwali,
Yes, sir. Gujaratis.
they feel as it is New Year. Am I right, Ramavatar?
Yes, sir.
Alag, whatever it may be. So
Yes, sir. For everyone, different times, sir, they will celebrate.
Yes, sir.
Some people like Ugadi.
Ugadi, sir.
For us is Ugadi, sir.
in Ugadi we will say Nutana Samvatsara Shubhakankshalu. Okay. So what is that, Kritik Tejas? దీంట్లో ఒకడికి వచ్చేది లేదు పోయేది లేదు,
Yes, sir.
నలుగురితో నారాయణ అనేది అంతే. Nalgurlo Narayana.
Ante, sir.
When you are going to temple to have darshan of Lord Venkateshwara at Tirupati, so in the queue, one fellow will say Govinda, and immediately all will tell Govinda. Vidana. So, Gumpulo Govinda. Ante manam kuda. Arun, am I right?
Absolutely right, sir.
So we'll see last one, non-metals. Now, non-metals, how whether they react with the hydrogen. This is the last property. So total seven properties, chemical properties. First one we had seen metals, how metals lose electrons and form what? Positive ions. Later we had discussed metals combined with oxygen. Later we discussed how basic oxides reacts with water. Later we studied about oxidation. And fifth one is reaction with water. And next one is reaction with acids. And reaction with what? Hydrogen. So non-metals, now coming to non-metals, I'm writing this part, everyone of you pay attention. Hydrides, just now I had written on the screen, sodium hydride, potassium hydride. So hydrides of non-metals, are stable compounds, and are formed by sharing electrons. Please write down. Hydrides of nonmetals are stable compounds and are formed by sharing electrons. I will write the equation so that you can understand. Akshay, are you in the session? Only 36 were there. Hydrides of nonmetals are stable compounds and are formed by sharing electrons. Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
I'm writing the equation here. Arvind Prasad, clear? Can I undo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again for you, I am showing it.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Now you see nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, that is H2. It forms as NH3, ammonia. So for balancing this equation, this is non-metal, gaseous state. It is also gaseous state. It is also gaseous state. So 3, 2. Now it is balanced, Nana. The equation is balanced. So when nitrogen reacts with the hydrogen, so nitrogen is a non-metal. When it reacts with the hydrogen, then it forms as ammonia. You take one more example, hydrogen in gaseous state react with sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. So sulfur, it has taken in solid in state, yes state, solid, S stand for solid state. Then it forms as H2S. H2S means in gaseous state. Hydrogen sulfide, which has rotten egg smell. కోటిగుడ్లు కుళ్ళిపోతే ఎంత పరమ కంపు వస్తుందో అదే వాసన వస్తుంటుంది. Which has rotten egg smell. Please write down. When hydrogen reacts with the sulfur, sulfur is a non-metal. in the previous above equation also, hydrogen reacts with nitrogen. Nitrogen is a non-metal. Then it forms as hydrides. So when non-metals react with the hydrogen, it forms as hydrides. But the compounds are what? Stable compounds. Ammonia is a stable compound. Hydrogen sulfide is a stable compound. Ammonia is a stable compound. Hydrogen sulfide is also a stable compound. So with this we understood that when non-metals react with hydrogen, they give stable compounds. Example, ammonia, NH3, hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Please copy the equation. G stand for gaseous in state, S stand for solid in state. Okay, all are doing proper revision at home. Again, 25th onwards, phase 2, no?
Sir. Sir, phase 2 in school only, no, sir?
Phase 2 will be in school only, beta. Swamiji said at any cost, 18th, the schools should reopen. Okay, first we'll start with you only because of our 480 capacity building is there. So classes also will be divided into 4 sections, beta, 4 sections. Each class, 15 students will be sitting. Each class, 15 students, and teachers' timetable also will be given like that. 15 means bench-wise 1 student only. Bench-wise 1 student only. And again, the topics important means related to each and every subject, important topics will be revised again, once again. So in next class on Monday, I'll explain you about alloys. Alloys, okay? About what are the alloys of iron, alloys of copper and solder, what are their uses, all the points we'll discuss. Mr. Sai, he wants to join now. So he's making his presence. Okay, he also attended the session.